Ivan, the water heater's broken.
I know the feeling. You take your shower and just in a few minutes the hot water goes down. You know what the reason for that is probably? Your heating element in your water heater. It needs to be replaced. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the heating element in your electronic water heater. First, you want to turn the power off to the water heater. Find the circuit breaker and flip the switch to off. Then turn the cold water supply off to the water heater. Attach a garden hose to the drain on the water heater and open it up. You should also run a hot water faucet in the house to relieve any pressure. Then remove the panel from the water heater to access the heating element. If your model has a panel with electronic power display, make sure to disconnect the wire harness. Remove any firewall insulation, and there might also be this plastic cover you need to pop off. Then loosen the screws and remove the wires to the heating element. Using a heating element socket like this one, unscrew the heating element from the water heater. Then screw in the new heating element. Look at the owner's manual for the specific type of heating element you need to replace. Then replace the wires and tighten down the screws to hold the wires in place. Replace that plastic cover and the firewall insulation. Reconnect the wire harness to the panel if equipped and screw the panel back onto the water heater. When you have the elements replaced, close the drain on the water heater and then open up the cold water supply to fill up the water heater. Now before you turn the power back on to the water heater, you want to make sure it's completely full. Remember that hot water faucet I said to turn on earlier in the video? Once you have water coming from that faucet, your water heater is full, and you can proceed to turn the power back on. All right, this this heating element that I'm trying to replace in this water heater has just been a complete nightmare. It's supposed to look like this. So it's just kind of supposed to curve at the tip there and then come in, and you're just supposed to be able to pull it out. But this one, for some reason, let me try to show you. If you could see it, probably not. Well, basically what happened is this tip right here, this part right here, has expanded for some reason, and it's bowed out like this a lot. And it's keeping me from taking this out completely. So right now the elements, I have it in there like this actually. And what I'm trying to do is feed this wire through the element and try to get it up through the top one and then turn it like that and then trying to pull it down from outside so it collapses on itself so then I can pull it out. That's what I'm trying to do. It's been so difficult, but I'm trying.